By the end of the video, we'll know ABOUT, unlocking muscle growth, expert strategies for building size and strength. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of muscle growth and strength building. We'll be sharing some expert strategies to help you achieve your goals. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. First off, let's tackle the basics and nutrition. Eating right is the foundation of any fitness journey. Make sure to incorporate protein-rich foods like chicken breast, lean ground beef, and fish into your diet. These will help fuel your workouts and promote muscle recovery. Next up, it's time for the gym. Consistently hitting the weights is key to building size and strength. But remember, variety is key. Mix up your workout routines regularly to prevent plateaus and keep your body guessing. Now, let's talk about rest and recovery. This is where most people fall short. Give yourself enough time between sets, 2 to 3 minutes, to fully recover before hitting the next exercise. And don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night to help your body repair and grow stronger. Lastly, focus on progressive overload by gradually increasing weight or reps over time. This will challenge your muscles and lead to noticeable gains in size and strength. And never forget that patience is key. Results won't happen overnight. So there you have it, expert strategies for building size and strength. Remember, consistency is key. So keep working hard and smart towards your goals. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and advice. Until next time, keep pushing yourself towards a stronger and healthier you.